University, and I'd like to ask you a question. So, if you could change one thing in Bangalore that would make life easier or healthier, what would it be and why?
I think the main thing is traffic and roads.
Yes.
That is a main thing which is curbing the city. I mean, it's kind of making chaos today. You're not able to travel. Just 5 kilometers is gonna take almost like 1 hour these days. Especially when I came now, I came for 5 kilometers. It took me like 45, 15 minutes. I think that's the main thing. Other things I like about Bangalore, everything.
Ma'am, if you could change one thing to make life easier, what would it be and why?
So I would get rid of traffic problem basically because it usually takes 2 to 2.5 hours for me to reach office, and so many vehicles are in the proximity, which creates a lot of pollution and it disturbs the skin and hair health as well.
What did you like better? What can you? So firstly, what I noticed, I'll tell you one problem what I face in Thailand. What first problem what I face is like, we had a lot of traffic in India. There's a lot of congestion, kind of congestion in India because a lot of people going to work, coming from work, they're coming from home to college, to school. The bosses are being caused a lot of congestion. So I think that's a hectic thing. I think Bangalore,
ಏನಾದ್ರು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಲೈಕ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇನ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಆನ್ ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇನ್ ಇರೋದೇ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಆ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಾಗ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರು ವರ್ಕರ್ಸ್ಗಾಗ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಗಳಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಬೆಟರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ನ ಲೀಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.